guys, today I'm preparing okra soup. This is the chopped okra already. I'm still chopping some. So here we have cow leg, so I'm boiling my cow leg first. We still have chicken. This is my chicken. I've already steamed it, but not yet true because I'm waiting for my cow leg. Okay, not yet true yet. I'm waiting for my cow leg so I can add it together. We still have fish here. We have fish here. This is my fish. So guys, it has been a long time that I've cooked okra soup in this house. You know, those of you that normally follow me, I love okra so much. We love okra in this house so much, but